So in conjunction with yesterday's video, this is what we're doing. You saw that. Now we're still somewhat structurally attached, even though we're broken and pieces are coming off of it. You can still see the anchor bolts. So we are taking this flange, welding it 360 degrees. And we're going to pick up on this, take some of the pressure off of that column. We're going to start with a 6,000 pound forklift. We've got a 10,000 pound on the way from Craig Ludwig, Herc Reynolds. We're going to pick that thing up so we can get some of that loose stuff out and take care of all